Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can connect Telegram to n8n, okay? There's actually a couple of options that you can use, but the one that I recommend is actually related to a bot, okay? So guys, it's actually very important. You have to follow these exact steps, okay? I want you to go to Telegram on your phone or on your computer, and you have to basically look for this user, okay? He's called bot father, okay? He's not actually a user, it's a bot, okay? It's just a robot, this is an AI. But you have to look for this user, okay, in the global search bar. Bot father. Now you have to open a conversation with this guy, with this bot in here, and you're gonna have to basically type in this message, okay? Slash new bot. Okay, now he's gonna give you like an answer. He's gonna ask you to name this bot, and you can give an name whatsoever. And you also have to select like a nickname, like a username. Okay, the important bit is that it must end in bot. Okay, for example, Marco Polo bot. It needs to end in the bot. Amazing. Now, once you do that, he's going to give you like a long message, and that message is going to contain the token API, okay? Which, as you can see here, is 2704856, whatever. It's a very long token. So you have to copy paste that token API. Now let's go back to n8n, and let's go to credentials in here. Add first credential, Telegram. Let's click on continue, and it's very simple now. You just have to copy paste that access token. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.